These are really cute jeans sent to me from the brand Sidefeel. This is their color bluing. I'm about 5'3" and it fits me just ever so slightly above the ankle. They have a longer length and a shorter length if you want to adjust the length, but I just got the regular length. Furthermore, for the fit of this, they are high waisted. It has this two button detail right here. And it also has plenty of stretch. I got the size 4 and I'm about 120 pounds. My height is 5'3" and I think the size 4 fits me perfectly. The edge is like a raw hem and it is I would say a straight leg, but ever so slightly tapered. So you can wear it with a pair of slip-ons. I'm wearing a pair of espadrilles. If you have like a mid-length booty you want to wear underneath it, you can do that as well because the end is a little bit looser. Just overall, a really great, versatile pair of jeans. They're really comfortable. I like the fact that they have stretch, and I also like the fact that they have multiple lengths so you can get whichever one fits you best. I love these jeans, and I know I'm going to be wearing them all year.